video, yun po, yung may mga, hinahayaan naman po kami ng management na mag-explore sa ganung bagay, sa mga kaya din po namin gawin po sa Bini po.
Okay po, this leads me to my next question. Napanood ko kasi yung video niyo po sa Binondo, yung nagbibigay tayo ng mga papers. Ito yung lucky day na pinamimigay sa Bini. How does it feel now na we have more than millions na nakikinig ng ating mga song? If makakabalik tayo sa tayo na nagbibigay tayo ng paper, ano kayo yung masasabi natin dun sa all songs?
Actually, na-miss po namin yung moments na yun. Parang nag-enjoy lang tayo mamigay ng mga flyers. And kumain, di ba? Alam mo yung parang kahit saan kami magpunta. Well, hindi pa naman talaga super kilala kami nun. Pero, kahit meron kami nakita nung pinamimigay na namin na nasa basurahan. Parang hindi namin binigdil yun before. Pero,
Masaya siyang ilok ba?
Siguro yung mga humble beginnings,
yes.
Diba? Ganun talaga pa nagsisimula. Like, aware talaga kami na hindi agad-agad na may kilala talaga yung Bini. So, parang yun yung isa sa mga way namin para ipakilala na, okay, this is Bini. May mga QR codes pa din dun, diba? Para, which leads to yung mga, yung Spotify namin, yung mga accounts namin. And, pag nag-look back kami, parang ang sarap niyang balikan kasi pinaghirapan talaga namin kung ano talaga, kung nasaan kami ngayon. So, sa mga tao na sumusuporta ngayon, sobrang na-appreciate po namin kayong lahat. And kasama namin kayo sa karerang ito.
Yes! Palakpakan naman natin yan. Thank you, Manoy. And of course, JR.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And also we have from RNG, we have Charles. Is Charles here? Charles Nico. Okay na. How about Robinson? Okay, so we have going back to Herald Express, we have Sir Dexter. Sir Dexter, do we have any question for Bini? Okay, excited lang talaga Sir Dexter na makita kayo dito, guys.
May question po siya.
Ay! Sir Dexter, kaya yan!
Kahit naman po, hulaan po namin birthday.
Sir Dexter? Okay, sige. Happy na lang talaga siya, Maloy, just to see you girls here, okay? Sige, ito na tayo. Let's go with from RNG. Do you still have another question from RNG or okay na tayo doon? Wait, starstruck talaga kayo, guys. Puro kuha na lang tayo. Okay, sige. Let's go on with our guest from UNTV, Miss Grace Doctolero. And she has a question for you, ladies. From Miss Grace Doctolero from UNTV.
Hello, good afternoon. Good evening na po na. Speaking sa mga genre ninyo na kinakanta, and since naging part na rin po kayo ng Wish Bus, may mga ginagawa ba kayong mga OPM songs na gusto nyo kantahin sa UNTV, sa Wish Bus, since meron na rin tayong Wish Bus sa US and South Korea?
actually nakapag-perform na po kami sa Wish Bus po sa US. And hopefully, makapag-perform po kami sa South Korea, di ba? Hindi pa po kasi kami nakakapunta doon. Sana. And songs, ano ba?
Parang ang lapit na.
Cherry on Top. Yes, yung bago namin single na i-release. Malay niyo, di ba? By that time, nakapunta na po kami sa South Korea. Pero doon tayo sa reference. Pero yun, Cherry on Top po. Cherry on Top.
Cherry on Top. Okay.
Meron ba yung gustong ano na talagang pangarap na maging kakulab sa Wish Bus sa US?
When it comes to performing now on live.
Ariana Grande.
Yes, yun ang sagot ko.
Taylor Swift po kaya ito, Joe.
Yes!
Sabi ko lang Beyonce.
Guys, manifest talaga natin yan. Oo. Miss Grace, do you have a follow-up question? Okay, thank you, Miss Grace. Dr. for UNTV now. Also, we have our friends from K-Light. Now, let's start off with Hillary Johnson from 96.7 K-Light.
Hi, good evening, ladies. I'm Hillary Johnson of 96.7 K-Light. Thank you for completing our playlist. You made it on our charts for 2 weeks, so thank you very much for being a part of our playlist. My question is, Baguio City is really relatively smaller in all the venues that you're performing in. How did you choose Baguio as one of your stops?
Well, direct, bakit po? No, but I feel like kasi in Baguio, feel ko lang. No, but kasi, di ba, tama ka, go, thank you. We've been here the third time, and feeling ko kasi nga, even if it's cold here, pero kasi warm yung pag-greet ng mga tao dito. And there's a lot of people here in Baguio, and we also want to give as much love as we want to give them the same way that they give us.
Yes. Kasi nga, Baguio is a melting pot, of course, from students, mga bakasyonista, and di ba naging huge part rin ng Baguio of your journey, di ba?
Yes, that is right.
Ayun. Okay, so, Hillary?
That's it. Thank you very much. We wish you well, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you, Hillary. Ito na, hindi rin magpapatalo, of course, PK-Light. Ito, huge fan. Parker Young. Parker ka muna. O, pinupush mo kami kanina eh. Go, Parker. Our shy boy, come on. Yes. Go, Parker.
Hello, good evening. Following the question of Hillary Johnson earlier today, or tonight, she mentioned about Baguio as your stop for tomorrow's performance. So, from all of us, because these people are from different parts in the Cordilleras, North Luzon, do you have like any plans to redo it in Baguio or in other nearby places?
Sorry, we have plans.
If you have plans more to do a concert after Baguio or like nearby provinces, po?
Yeah, definitely, because we really want to perform around the Philippines, unahan po talaga ng Philippines. And also, I think it's nice to perform in remote places because they get to watch us perform when usually hindi naman talaga madaming napupuntahan ng mga tao. So, for sure, we're gonna want to go there, but obviously, like with the schedule right now, it's very hectic, but maybe in the future, hopefully.
Let me just share this, that a couple of days ago, when I got back in the Philippines, I've heard your song somewhere in Taiwan, so congratulations.
Thank you so much, Chino, Parker Young. Of course, gentle reminder guys, as much as we have to do this all day, medyo umuulan na rin guys, so we're gonna wrap this up na. So before, syempre, of course, our ladies need to practice, need to have rest, and of course, for our safety rin. So let's go on. First, Kim, you have a question from K-Light. We're just gonna limit po one question per for the next, for our safety. Go, Kim.
Hi, ladies. It's been so exciting to see yung trajectory ng career niyo just in the past year. Sobrang bilis. I first heard of you through a good friend, Nico Del Rosario, who you work with as a songwriter. So I'm so honored. And I thank you for gracing us with your presence here in Baguio. My question, sky's the limit for this question. Where would you want to perform in the future? Whether it's at a big international stage, an event, or even if it's just a city that you'd like to visit and sing in. Sky's the limit, anywhere at all. Where would it be?
Coachella.
Wow.
Sa Super Bowl, and
Sa moon.
sa first girl group na mag-perform sa Moon.
Oy, history na making yun pag moon. Diba?
Sabi ko na, sky's the limit.
Yeah, sky's the limit.
And magpuno natin ang Philippine Arena.
Yes, looking
Pilipinas.
Alright, that's all. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you, Kim. Now let's go from our friends from Business Mirror. We have Ms. Marilu. Ms. Marilu Gieb. Okay, thank you so much. We have from Big Sound, Sir Rico John Ferrer. Yes. Go, Chairman, KBP.
Maraming salamat. Good evening, mga beautiful binibinis. Welcome to Baguio City. I'm an incidental fan because my daughter is a real fan of Bini. Maraming salamat. Wala ko nga yung autograph book niya. Alright, how do you feel that your music has reached not only locally but internationally, like dancing to your tunes of Pantropico and Salamin Salamin? Well, how do you feel?
We feel extremely blessed kasi we remember those days where every time or before we would have our music videos released, we would always ask na magbo-boom kaya to or kailan kaya tayo magbo-boom? Magbo-boom pa ba? O boom pa? Yes.
Every year, kunwari, ng 2021, this is our year. The year natin to, 2022.
Yung ano lagi,
It's every year.
nire-request yung mga songs namin, kunwari, pag kumakain kami sa mga restaurants, gano'n, nire-request talaga namin yung
Kami
songs
nagre-request, hindi sila nagpapatrol.
Pero ngayon sila na yung nagpa-play ng patrol.
Totoo. 2023, ito na yun, girls. This is our year to.
I feel it.
It's 2024 pala.
Pero syempre bago po namin mahanap tong sound ng Toy Bubblegum Pop, parang nakailang ano rin kami, nag-experiment talaga kami. Like yung first album namin, iba-iba ng genre, parang hindi yung, parang hinahanap pa rin namin until our second album, I think. Tapos ayun, biglang nag-ano nga po yung Pantropico. So, and Nanana pala, yung Nanana. So, nag-stick po kami dun sa ganong genre. And nagustuhan po ng mga tao po. Pero hindi pa rin kami natatakot mag-explore po ng iba pa.
That's why Cherry on Top, I think.
Yes, Cherry on Top bago siya sa Pantinilla. So, abangan niyo po yan.
Even local and international influencers are now dancing your tunes now. So congratulations.
Thank you.
My next question, I think your fans deserve an answer from each of you. Ano ang isang bagay sa buhay nyo na dapat hindi nyo kinakarera? May we know from each of you?
Kinakarera.
Ano ang isang bagay sa buhay nyo na dapat hindi nyo kinakarera?
Para napaisip sila doon, Sir Rico. Okay.
Kinakarera.
Ako siguro yung pagiging bata mo. Like, you have to enjoy your youth. Kasi once na sa certain age ka na, parang dapat pala ginawa ko na ito. Dapat pala ganito, ganyan. So, ngayong bata pa ako, like, ina-enjoy ko siya. I'm seizing the moment.
Yun, seizing the moment. And I think everyone
will
agree. Kayo ba? May dati po kayo, ladies?
Siguro
The
po
princess.
pagiging magastos. Kasi minsan lang to, pero hindi siya red flag siya actually. Pero kung gumagastos kayo sa mga gusto nyo na bagay, pagkain, okay lang yan. Basta isang beses lang tayo mabubuhay. So, if you can't stop thinking about it, buy it.
Yun.
That's my motto.
Ang dami na relate.
Ang yaman, basta ako. Magagastos din kasi yung mga...
Ay, hindi. Ganyan talaga. Okay, Sir Rico?
How about you, Ada?
Yung iba sana para at least marinig natin.
Okay, sige.
Ako po, pagligo, you need to take your time. Ang buhay ay hindi karera. If minamadali ka na ng pamilya mo, patugtugin mo lang yung karera. Yun na yung parinig mo.
Okay.
I love it. Ako siguro like yung sing mo in life. Like example, with that I mean, like example, if ako sa age ko na to, 23, I could have been a graduate na sana, yung mga kabatch ko graduate na, pero nasa school pa ako. So parang it's fine, okay lang yan. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng nanda sa buhay. Nauna naman sa akin yung career before I graduated, or hopefully I will graduate. But it's fine, graduate hindi, may trabaho hindi, pero as long as buhay ka, as long as you're breathing and happy in life, happy where you're at, I think that's the very important thing. Yes, trying to live in the moment.
Yes! Same po dati, Aya po.
Same din po. Ako, wait lang, akin
Kaya yan.
pag-ibig.
Love
life. Yan ang sumagot ng pag-ibig. Kinikilig si Joanna. Pero yun, dapat talaga yung love. Hindi siya
Nakatingin si Derek. Nakatingin si
Diba,
Derek
Derek?
yung pag-ibig.
Hindi i-rush yung love. Kaya may kami yun. Yeah. Very good. Very good love. Kasi there are still a lot of people you will meet in life, a lot of things you will learn from people. Pero huwag niyong i-rush kasi dapat talaga focus on yourself muna. Kasi how can you love other people when you can't even fully love yourself and accept yourself completely?
Tsaka pag nagmamadali ka,
Self-love is the best love.
Ito sa mga magaling tao.
Alright, congratulations, welcome to Baguio, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you so much, Sir Rico from Big Sound. Now, of course, from Conti 99.9. Sir John. Okay, let's go with Ma'am Malu before we wrap things up. Ma'am Malu, may question pa daw po si Miss Malu. Ay, there po.
Hello po.
So pretty and very lively.
Thank you.
Welcome to Baguio again. Actually, tatanong ako kasi siguro mga apo ko na ang fans fans nyo. I'd like to have that thrill of telling them I met the people. So anyway, I just wondering, kasi ang ganda-ganda ng chemistry mo. How did you get together as a group?
Oh. Quite a while. Right, Jo?
So, ito po. Magsimula po tayo sa year 2019. So, meron po tayong Star Hunt Grand Auditions po. 2018 pala yung auditions po. So, yung Star Hunt Grand Auditions pumupunta siya sa iba't ibang provinces po. And yun, kung saan kami nag-auditions. I think si Staco lang po yung nag-Araneta audition. Yes, pero lahat kami sa mga provinces po namin kami nag-audition po. So, we had callbacks po until na callback kami lahat for... Actually, wala kaming idea before na for a girl group pala siya. Basta pinapakanta, pinapasayaw lang po kami. Tapos, nagdumaan po kami sa bootcamp, 5-day na medyo nakakamatay na training po siya. Tapos doon po nagtatanggalan. Until in-announce po ni Direk Loren na final 8 na po kami and it was not the original plan po talaga before. Kasi parang ang dami ng 8 po, di ba? And ang hirap ng even numbers. Mga ganun. Alis ka na, Jo. Pero I think, magical yung 8 and we're meant to be together. Yes!
Do you love us?
Of course!
Parang naging solid. Like, feeling ko naging solid kasi
nag-stay kami ng isang buong bahay for how many years?
3 years.
3 years. So, wala kaming choice kundi mag-adjust sa isa't isa.
And i-handle ang mga topak po ng isa't isa.
Yes.
Nang walang uwian.
May mga away po, syempre may mga away na kasi lahat kami mga babae, tapos halos magkakalapit ng age. So, hindi talaga may iwasan yun. Pero,
I think the fights happen for a reason.
At the end of the day, mas pinipili pa rin namin isa't isa po.
True.
Group hug, ladies! Okay.
Keep it up. That's the secret of producing. Mag-a-acapella kaya sila pag-isa.
Ay, mamalo kasi they just got from a performance and from rehearsal. So,
pero pwede po kahit short lang po.
Okay! So, short po natin sila.
Gusto niyo pong song?
Okay. Eto na. Para sure tayo. Binigyan nyo yung mabalong chance. Questions, Ines. Ano?
Okay, wag muna tayo.
Wag muna tayo. Okay, ladies.
5, 6, 7, go! Huwag muna tayong umuwi, mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna agad palating gabi, naglalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna ako.
Miss Marilu, the business girl, thank you so much. And of course, for all of our friends from the local press dito po sa Baguio, thank you so much. Sing Lamig ng Baguio ang Boss You Girls. Grabe, thank you so much. And,
wala daw